Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20B. Question number 7. A rectangular plot 85-meter long and 60-meter broad is to be covered with grass, leaving a 5-meter path all around. Now let's understand this. We have a rectangular field or a plot which is 85-meter long and say 60-meter wide, broad. It is to be covered with grass, leaving a 5-meter path all around. That means we have to leave a 5-meter path all around it. This much 5, this much 5, and this much 5, and this much 5. Right? So this area has to be laid with grass. So very simple. What will be the length? What will be the length of area to be laid with grass? The length of the area to be laid with grass will be from initial length. I will remove 5 from this side and 5 from this side. That means 5 into 2 I will remove. 5 2 times. So this will become 85 minus 10, that is 70 meter. Sorry, 75 meter. Fine. Now, in the same way, we will find the width. Width of the area to be laid, or breadth, whatever you want to say. Here it's given breadth, so we will write breadth. Breadth of area to be laid with grass. Again, from this whole 60, I will remove this 5 and this 5 because 5-meter path I have to leave all around. So it will become 60 minus 2 times 5. 5 from both the sides. 60 minus 10, that is 50 meter. So what will be the area to be laid with grass? Area to be laid with grass. Area is, again, it is a shape of a rectangle only. So length into breadth. So new length is 75 and new breadth is 50. So what it will be? 75 into 50 is 3750. As the units are in meter, so it will become meter square, because area is meter multiplied by meter becomes meter square.